Hello everybody that's still watching. We're doing an oil change on a 23 Elantra. So first thing we want to do is it doesn't have to be the first, you can do it last, but we want to reset the oil light. So we're going to go to setup, go to vehicle, you scroll down here to convenience, nope, cluster. Go to cluster, service interval, and here it sees that it's over. All you gotta do is push the reset button, and then it resets to whatever. You can change these by just clicking in there if you want to change it to something else, or you can just disable it. So that is the oil reset. We also have change reminder, which is the percentage. So we did the oil life reset, 100%. Everything's good there. Now we can go under the hood and do what we need to do there. So under the hood, check all the fluids here. So we got our coolant. So it's halfway between the thing and the marks. We got our washer fluid, which I'm gonna fill. Brake fluid's good. I also check oil. And oil cap, 020. This is its first oil change. There's only 5,000 miles on it, so filters will be good, all that. And here we have our oil filter. There's the number right there if you need it. Now you got to be careful with these. It has the separate oil drain for the filter. I want to make sure that's not stuck in there. It looks like they just redesigned it with a wider top, and they did that so that can't fall through and fit in there. Apparently somebody was having problems with that, and being there, they put it on with it stuck in there and caused issues. So they redesigned the cap. We got our gasket here and then our crush ring. I'm just on my way up with the car. I'm just noticing a few things like the cracked bumper here. And what I also noticed is they got these tire bubbles on the sidewalls. They must have hit a pothole or something pretty hard, or a big bump. So this tire needs to be replaced. You can't fix that. That's sidewall damage for the tire. So that's going to have to be replaced. Little camera mount here. So we're under the car. This is going to be the oil drain plug. Make sure you got your oil bin there. Twist that. There we go. And now if we point you over this way here. This is the oil filter. And we got our number 8 Allen key here. Fit right in that. And this is just the drain plug for the filter. So we get that drain. So while I let that drain, I'm going to check all the other items like tire, air, anything else under here that might be leaking, and go through all that. And here we can see the old design and the new design. It's just the same thing, just a bigger like top. I'm not going to be able to get my wrench on there with this. So I'm going to have to, usually I put the new one back on there and then pull it off. But with the new design, apparently you can't do that. So I got my 27 millimeter. Filter. You can see the rubber going around here. There's a little like tab. Pull that. Alright, so we put the new one on. See a little notch in the rubber there? Make sure that's facing the up. So put that around. Make sure it's seated. Your new filter. Now, I don't know what the torque spec is in here. I didn't look it up. But we're just going to snug it on there. And now you put your little drain plug on there. So the drain plug, it's gonna have this crush ring, this washer on there. So you want to take the old one off. It may take some work to get it off. And put a new one on there. Do that every time you remove that plug, so every oil change, or it's gonna leak. And here's another one where I don't know the torque, but you just want to get it on there pretty good. You don't need to put a lot of muscle into it. It's not pressure. You just snug it on there. You feel the resistance going a little bit. Maybe I'll look it up and post it. A little number under there in editing. So now that oil's drained, new stuff's back on. Now we go back up top to put oil in it. Now let's get some oil in there. Like I said, it's 0.20. I don't remember how much it takes, so I'm just going to stop and check it. So just about 4 quarts. And that's just about. So I'm going to start it and let the oil circulate, check it again, and then add some more. show me anything. It'll settle a little bit. You can kind of see it down the bottom of the line there. More oil it needs. Probably some more. There we go, right up to the mark. That's what I put in there, 4.79 quarts. Cap back on, wipe off any little drips. And then you'll be good to go. So, thanks for watching. Leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Look at the merch store. I'm trying to figure out how to do some other stuff on that as far as getting Hyundai related stuff on there, parts, stuff like that. I'm trying to figure that out, but computers aren't my strong thing. So thanks for watching.